Welcome, I'm Jason Spangler with Wagner Meters, and we are very honored to have you join us for our 2020 Distribution Partner Awards. In previous years, we've only done one award for the top overall distribution partner, but with 2020 being somewhat of a unique year, to put it mildly, we decided to look at and award various ways in which our partners were able to succeed. In doing this, we have expanded from 1 to 4 awards and wanted to share with you those award presentations. We hope you enjoy. And I appreciate everything. Us at Wagner, I said earlier, we're a smaller company. From myself to all of the employees that put these parts together for you guys, the owners of the company, the other managers in our business. We want to thank Tools for Flooring and EJ Welch for a phenomenal year. You guys really did a great job, and we appreciate that. And we hope that, with 2021, that obviously business conditions get better and that the relationship that we have, continues to grow. So with that, I want to present you guys with this 2020 Best Overall Sales. That's it.
No, and we want to thank Wagner. We appreciate the partnership. We always feel good about selling your moisture meters. It is our go-to. And we look at the quality, the innovation from your company, and then the service we get as well. I mean, we know that if there's ever anything that comes up as far as, needing to educate our team or our customers, Wagner's always on top of it, and they're always going to keep up with the trends in the industry. So certainly we appreciate the partnership we've had with Wagner for over 10 years.
Yeah, I really do. I mean, I think it really is a good partnership. I think that, as time goes on, when the communication lines stay open, we continue to find ways that we can help you guys and ways that you can help us to understand some of the things that we need to do to kind of help you guys. And that's why I think it's such a good partnership, is the fact that we get to have that two-way communication.